Hi, my name is Diya, and today I will show you how to simplify fractions. Let's review some keywords before we start. A numerator is the number on the top of a fraction. The denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. And factors are the numbers that you multiply to get a total number 1 multiplied. So an example is a factor of 12 is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. So they are all factors of 12. And some common multiples are two factors that are in common. So an example, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, and factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the common factors would be 1, 2, 3, and 6. How do you simplify fractions? Well, step 1, look at both the numerator and denominator. Find the common factors. Circle all the common factors other than 1. So we have 3 sixths here. So the common factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And the common factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the common factors here would be, the common factors here would be 3. So step 2, once done, divide both numerator and denominator by the largest common factor. Make sure to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So we got 3, these are common factors, so we divide by 3, divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, which is 1/2. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2. In step 3, always check if the fraction can be simplified again. In this case, 1/2 is in its simplest form, but in other cases like this, you may have to simplify 2 or 3 times. So 3/6 divided by 3 is 1/2. And then, so in this case, 12/54 can be divided by 2. The 12 and 54, which is 6/27, which can be divided by 3 again to 2 9ths. So 2 9ths is the simplest form of 12/54. When we simplify, are we making the fraction smaller? When simplifying, we are not making the fraction smaller. The fractions are still equal. We are actually making each piece of the fraction bigger. Which has larger pieces? So here we have 2/4 and 1/2. So an example is if we are sharing a pizza and have 4 people, you would only get one of these pieces in the fourth. And if you're sharing a pizza with 2 people, you would get half of it. So, and if there's only 2 people there, you're gonna get, and you would get this much and this much. So you're actually making the pieces bigger. Let's practice. So 5/10 can be simplified once to 1/2 because 5 and 10 can both be divided by 5, since 5 are common factors. 4/16 can be simplified, have common, and 4 and 16 have common factors of 4, and so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 20/40 can actually be simplified more than once. So 20 divided by 2 is 10, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then 10 divided by 2 again is 5, and 20 divided by 5 again is 10. Some tricks and tips for when simplifying fractions are that all even numbers can be divided by 2. So all even numbers always can be simplified. So in the fraction, if the fraction has a 1 on the numerator, then the fraction's in its simplest form, so you can leave it. And then thank you for listening.